So anytime there's stairs that I need to meet up, like two different areas, or decks like this, I always go in at two different angles and meet halfway. You see how it's just a little bit crooked right there? If I had, let's say, started on this side and then went along the patio or deck, then by the time I got back to wherever I started, it would be off. It'd be like way crooked. So this way, these two will just automatically sync up when we send it to Matterport. So I came out this door, did this area, so this is viewable. And then I came out that door to here. And then when it's uploaded to cloud, that should be seamless. So I scanned from the second floor to there. And when I was on the first floor, I scanned to here. So I'm gonna set up here again. And then once that aligns, go up here and then they should meet. Let's check it out. Go to floor 1 and we should be right over here. Should be right there if it lines up correctly. If it doesn't, then I'll probably have to go back to 3 and then overlap right there. Huzzah, Bob's your uncle. It's probably not exact, but it is close enough. Then we'll scan in front of the stairs. Then we'll go up a few stairs. 63 and 64 is like a little storage room or work thing. Almost looks like a little garage, single car garage. And that's where I ended the second floor. So that's where we're gonna switch to the second floor and we'll see how we did. So I'm gonna switch this next one to floor 2 and we should be outside on the patio. We should be right over here. Oh, I didn't go down as far as I was thinking. That's all right. Oh, 78 and 77 stacked. So that 78 isn't far enough. I'll fix that later. So we should be just below 78 or over here. Not sure how that's gonna line up. I missed that. Might have to delete 78. See, so that's correct. 140 is correct. 78 is wrong. Let's see if I can realign that to be right there. You would think it would work, but realignment doesn't work all the time. Nope. So we'll delete 78 and I'll replace it coming up the other way. So 141 and 77, when we send it to Matterport, will line up and it'll look great. Assuming 141 goes right in that square. There we go, close enough, it'll work. And you can see why you don't go one direction the whole time, because how off it would be. Like, subscribe, follow for more tips. Have a great day. Watch the door.